In this video, I'm going to show you how to install TikTok Ads Pixel on Shopify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Now from here, you want to click on settings in the lower left. And from here in your settings, just select apps and sales channels. Now from here, click on Shopify App Store and we're going to download an app for our TikTok Pixel. So just click search here TikTok Ads Pixel and you'll see a bunch of different apps right here. So I recommend this Facebook Pixel dash TikTok Pixel. So just click on it. As you can see, it is built for Shopify. So this app is pretty legit. So now click on install. Now again, click on install. So after installation, it will redirect you to this app itself. So just wait for it to install. And as you can see right here, you can get started right now. So let's just select the free plan. Now you can just create pixels right here. So click on create. And now from here, you want to select TikTok at the top. And now you can add TikTok pixel just by clicking here on add TikTok pixel. So for me, it's not available because I have the free subscription. So you'll need to purchase the subscription plans of this app to add your TikTok ads pixel. Now just click here and follow the on-screen instructions to get started. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.